So, once you finish building your robot, eventually you'll end up figuring out how you're meant to connect it to the phone. It's a lot of effort. Then you need to configure it, and all of that. Once you finish doing that, you can play with your robot. But be sure that you end up, look like you're doing something. That's, important. Otherwise, Mr. Mode will end up making it such that you have to end up doing something, and you'd have to stop playing with your robot. Okay. So, once you've finished, you should be able to control the robot by, well, using the controller. And you should be able to get the robot to drive around. Right here, we actually aren't using the same program that you will be, but you should be able to do all of these things. And now we're just going to watch the robot for a little while, and so you can see everything it can do. Oh, and you probably... Oh, and you probably shouldn't be driving when you can't see the robot, because then you can kind of get stuck around different things, and all around it can end pretty badly. You can damage some stuff, so, yeah.